Hi everyone, for my project I chose Blukit. Blukit is a trivia game platform for your students. It's meant for educational content. It also has fun trivia as well. I've used it as a reward because especially middle schoolers love it. And I've used it for like older elementary school students as well, but the younger kids are probably going to have a harder time using it. But it is a super fun game. They have different versions, so I'm just going to start showing you. It's a free website to get started. You just have to sign up with an email. So I used an email. So I'm going to just log in to show you mine. So let's see. So with this website, you can either create your own set or you can push discover sets to see all the different options that you have of things that people have already made and decided to share. So if you create a set, you can make, the game content first. So you can fill it out here. You can make it public or private. I guess you can also use it, or you can upload a Quizlet or a spreadsheet into it, which is really cool. Most of the time I have actually just used other ones that people have made before. So you can click discover, and we have some fun ones. So like stuff like these I would use as a reward. But for this, let's try an educational one. So if I just search that, I could pick from some that have already been made by other people. I'm going to do this one as an example. So if I did this with a group of kids, well, first off, you can see what questions are on there. So I usually do that first to see if I like the questions, if there's enough of them. So what you do first is you would be the host of this. So to host it, you click host. I usually put this on the board so everyone can see my screen because, well, you'll see why. So there are different games that you get to play. If I did... So they're all different, but it's still like a game that they're playing with the answers being, and their questions being of the content, which is super cool. So if I did this one, I would push host game. And what I would do now is you can pick how many minutes you want to do it for. You can put if you want instructions and all these stuff. I think you can control names, which is good because there is a part where they can write their own name in it, so that can cause some silliness if they're not putting something that's actually their name, which is usually the case. So if you push host now, it starts. And so what you can do is you give them this code in the corner, and then they will be able to put it in on theirs. And then they get to join. So I'm gonna use my own phone as an example, or maybe I'll do it with another screen. So I pause this. I'm gonna show you how to join a game from the child's perspective or whoever's playing. So you need to go to play. So they just have to go to blukit.com and it'll usually pop up. So they're gonna type in the ID that is in the game already, and then that would help have them join the game. I'm gonna start one on my phone so I can have this one join the game that I start on my phone. I'm gonna show what it looks like to join a game. So I have a different game that I started on a different device I have. So let's see. I'm typing in a code that I'm seeing from a different screen than this one, just FYI. So if I'm the child, I can enter a nickname. That's actually my name. Let's see. Okay, so it has me waiting in the lobby. So it has me waiting for the host. I started my own. So actually it's looking at my screen. So this is kind of hard to show, but there are two different screens that are being used. And this is what I'm seeing as the child. And this is what the game looks like from I'm playing it. On the bigger screen is the more interactive. It's like a board to show who is in first place. So, ooh, yay, I got it. So I get to choose this. This is just this game. There are different games. Oh, I only got nothing. Okay. But they have things where it's like, steal points from this person or whatever. So you're able to do that, and it's more competitive and fun. But this is what it looks like from the kids' point of view, and thank you, everybody.